Hello guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video that I need to do because I haven't filmed in a really long time. I was taking a break, so I'm going to be showing you guys all the fidgets that I've gotten like during my break. So that includes the fidgets that I got for Christmas. There's 3 fidgets that I can think of off the top of my head right now that aren't included in this video, but I don't really just want to like get them. So my kinetic sand, my cloud like Play-Doh thing, and my puppet journal. So those 3 things are not included in this video, but I would like to show you guys something cool. Boop, 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 disco. Okay, let's turn the white on. So the first thing I have is this big puppet purse. It has Mickey on one side and Minnie on the other. Also, guys, if you are watching this and you want to watch what I got for Christmas, you can go click on the channel button and watch that now, after you finish this video. And then, the next thing that there is this pop tube. I'm gonna do it. If you're wearing headphones, I would turn it on. Okay, that was my fun for that. Okay, the next thing is this Elmer's glue. Also, I got that from Santa, obviously. You already know that. I got this from school. And I got this from my family. Okay, this is Elmer's glue, and it is scented fruity slushy. It has foam beads in it, but it always gets all over the foam beads. What color should I turn it to? I'm going to do like a slideshow of all the colors. This is my favorite. So the next thing is this like puppy ball. It's a little rabbit. It's really cute. It just looked creepy for a second. My grandma gave this to me. It's really nice. Let's just pick something from the back here. Okay, the next thing is this. I made it because one of my things popped. I also need 2 other ones. One of them is in this video. Another one I have somewhere else in my house. I don't know where it is though. But next thing is this. It's orange. You can't tell. No, I'm just gonna like turn it to white. It's orange, and I got this at like an arcade. But it's actually really cool. I'll be right back. I'm going to show you something because I have a pink one just like it. So, little twinsies. Just put this guy back. Okay, next thing is this. So I got this like a while ago, but I don't know why. I just like lost it. So I didn't have it in my fidget collection, but it's really cool. Like, I have something stuck on it right now, so give me a second, please. Things always get stuck onto this. This is very tangled right now. I'm sorry. This is like taking up all my time here. I don't know how I got stuck on here. Also, happy tomorrow's Martin Luther King Jr. Day. I don't know. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm trying to get this out here. Yeah, you're only allowed to watch a 5-minute video. This is not the video to watch. So, I'll just show you that. So, I have the little alien guy, and he's a Slinky, so it's really cool. It's definitely like the rarest fidget I have, probably. Okay, I think I actually finally got it. Until I say that. Okay, the next thing is this little ball, and I got one from school, and actually both from school. So I had 2 of these. I gave them to my brother though, and I got one from school and the other from school also. So yeah, that's really fun. The next thing, literally both of my favorite fidgets are in here, but this one. I'm in heaven. A heart shall pop it, hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Listen to that bop split though. This is the not good side. Like, they're both really. This side is the good side right here. This side there. It's a really good pop. I'm just saying. Next thing, I lost a tooth, and the tooth fairy brought me this. It's a Play-Doh slime, and it had. Oh, come on. It wasn't sticky before, I promise, but so here it is. It's so satisfying, actually. I don't know why, but like I let some people, like my brother, and feel it, and now it's sticky. But it wasn't sticky before. So it has like little cereal beads in it. I forgot one thing that I got. It's a tingle and it's pink, but it's not in this video because it's somewhere else. I don't know where, honestly. Let me get the lid for this. I honestly don't know where it is. Where did it go? Oh, it fell on the floor. 1 second, please. Boom, ding, ding. Da 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 da. Ba 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 ba. Okay. Next thing. Okay, there's like 3 of them. Jelly. So these are slimes my cousin got for me. They're little slime. This one's blue. Yeah. I actually thought this was lip balm for a second, but I obviously like fidget spray. My brother just stormed into my room. Brothers. Okay, so it's kind of sticky because I don't know why, but it wasn't sticky before. It's a really gel texture. So, and then I'll show you the green and pink ones too, I guess. It just fell on the floor, so let me get that. Okay, this one is the pink one. Pink jelly filling. Okay, so here it is. Okay, kind of sticks to my hand just a bit. Yeah, I can see my face. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we can't spend that much time on it. Okay. And then this one is the green. Oh my god. Sorry. Some of it spilled. See, like, it spilled on the pink. So, like, there's, like, none left in it. Oh, that's kind of sad, but I still have the blue and pink, so green is my least favorite color out of those. So, here, I don't think I've filmed this one before. I don't think I have, but I might have. So, this one has, like, bristles. I think it's ASMR. And then this one is a most satisfying, so I'm going to save that one for last. And then this one, it's not that satisfying. It's like just texture kind of. And then this one, though, is so satisfying. It has like some bumps. It's so satisfying. So this, somebody I know got me. Excuse me. They're like puzzleable blocks, and there's fidget spinners in it too. It's really, really, really cool. Okay, so the next thing, it was a fidget pack that I got. Like, the phone just fell. The phone just fell. So, this was a fidget pack that I got. It had like a marble and mesh in it. It had, the reason I don't have the marble and mesh in this video is I took the marble out and put it in the one that I have. It had a bike chain in it. I don't know where that went, honestly. And then I had a pin in it, and it had this thing in it. I don't even know what it's for though. It's like one of those pullback things. It's really cool. Then this, I got it at trick-or-treating, but I don't think that I filmed it yet. So they're like frozen together. Okay. It's not really a fidget, but kind of is, so I'll keep it in my fidget collection. Okay, the next thing is a sample thing. I made it, so it's not really all that cool. Now, this last thing is probably one of my favorite fidgets. This is one of them, obviously, but this is also one of them. So, it's a color-changing needle. It is blue, and it changes to pink. It is so pretty. And also, if you're watching this, thank you for watching this. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So, thank you for watching. That is the last thing. Also, this is one of my favorite fidgets too. This and this are both my favorite fidgets. So, bye. Thank you so much for watching.